Then once I there, so I still a meds, I wonder how the water reach up in the tree, in the jelly. And sometimes the water cool to you like fridge up there, you know. Then once I not stress myself about it. I not stress myself.
Yeah, my youth. Me I wonder how water reach in the jelly coconut way up there so for real. But you know what? I want even bigger question. How water walk go pumpkin belly? Who asked me that? No me old time granny. And I'll know me can't find the answer. So if Ono can tell me would have grateful. But anyways, me just want to take a minute to say Happy New Year 2022 to everybody where I watch that video. To everybody where I watch that video you know. May Ono year be filled with happiness, joy, and enough money. And may all of Ono laugh this year till Ono belly bottom bun Ono. Whoa, Ono remember them days there? Man used to put on all 2 jeans, you know. What a wicked man that do. When you see our faces light up.
Yo, welcome to Eccleston Auto, Daniel Town, Chilani, Falmouth. Hey, the link on the car.
Yeah, man, I mean, call upon the 871-6538 number.
So you like it?
Yeah, we'll see what I go on first then.
Think then, man, look for it. You don't like that one that's still going on with the special order and support?
You know the special order?
Yeah, man, so you're with us.
No, that one I did see, man, like that one I know me G. Yo, car clean, still know me G.
Yeah, man, you know you go already, man.
Yeah, no, Jesus is a drive it.
No? Yeah. Check all the mileage, everything, man.
Yeah, watch out. It's okay, you know, get no drive.
Don't know you go already, man.
Yeah, no. How am I looking there?
All the picture ready to take, man.
No.
Right now.
Why best price me can't get funny?
You know, see, 2.1 you look like.
2.1?
Yeah, man. The charger, ball on your price.
How you mean, my youth? We Jamaican have a ball on the price by everything where we buy.
Best price.
I give me 1.9 then.
That's if you send me G.
How did the Jungo Dungo that man? He look like him got the most car in the world.
Hi. So if you're giving $100 million to have sex in front of your parents, will you do it?
In front of my parents?
Yes, your mom and your dad.
Only my parents?
Yes?
I have a extended family. I have friends, plenty friends. Boys, girls, plenty. I'll invite everybody.
Jesus! What did you say?
I'll invite everybody. Everybody will sit down.
No, sir. This a brother you not play. Sound like a better than just go rent a stadium and fill it to capacity.
Boy, you get my do.
Wow.
$100 million. We invite live band. Live band. $100 million. I'll call the video. We'll come and perform for me live.
Power, government approved.
I'll invite you, sir. $100 million.
Everybody don't craze, including me. Everybody don't mad. Myself, I didn't.
The rules for this exam are pretty simple. No copying, no peeping, no talking, no reading. If you get a cut, no bleeding. No smoking, no provoking. No kicking, no boxing, no choking. No nothing. Alright guys? Start. Study the table below. Observe the object above. What? I don't understand it. What color is the blue bus? Gee, I know I should study this now. Hold on. Hey man, you got a paper now?
What paper?
Can I have 6 more paper plates?